What do you know about moose? The moose is Sweden's national animal and is called the king of the forest. Moose are deer and can grow over 2 meters tall. They eat many different plants such as leaves, herbs, twigs, grass and rice. Moose can run fast and swim well. Their tracks are the second largest in Europe. Only the bear leaves bigger tracks. The male has antlers that they lose in January or February. The antlers grow back in the summer. The males are larger and have a beard. The females have a light stripe along the inside of their hind legs. The females are pregnant for 8 months and can have 1 to 3 young. The moose is an amazing animal, and you should be happy if you get to see the moose in its natural environment.